In level 4 programmed robot, we are going to understand about the Arduino microcontroller, about the LEDs, 7-segment displays and the motor driver circuit, and with the help of that we are going to make a complete programmed robot which will run on a particular path and with this 7-segment display. In level 4 programmed robot, it will be of 10 sessions. Each session is of 2 hours and kids will complete this course approximately in the 2 months. Now let's understand about what kids will learn in each session in detail. So in session 1, he will start learning about the microcontroller, that is the brain of the robot, that he will understand what is actually microcontroller, what is Arduino Uno, and how to do the programming on it, that he will understand in the session 1. In session 2, the kids will learn project called traffic signal light. So here he will learn how to make the traffic lights, that is we generally see at the traffic signals. So how to make that type of patterns with the help of LED using the Arduino programming, that he will learn in the session 2. So in session 3, kid will make a project called Diwali light pattern. So here he will learn about how to make the different LED patterns with the help of programming. So you would have seen in the Diwali, like many lights are glowing in the particular pattern, like in a series of it, right? So same type of pattern he will learn how to program the LEDs, like multiple LEDs. Suppose these 6 LEDs he have. So how to create the patterns, different patterns with the help of programming, that he will understand in this session. So like suppose you want to make a square pattern or a triangle pattern or some name, like suppose the name is Hitesh, so he want to make a H pattern. So that pattern he will learn, and after learning this he can make a different hundreds of patterns using the programming, using the more LEDs in that. Now in session 4 he will make a project called lift floor display. So what is lift floor display actually? Lift floor display means the display which is shown in the lift to indicate which floor it is. So it is like first floor, second floor, third floor, it is displayed in the lift. So how to make that display, what is the programming behind it, and how that display is working, basically the basic understanding of that 7-segment display, that he will understand in detail here, its pin diagram, its construction, and then its programming he will understand in this project. Now in session 5 he will make a project called token display on food stalls. So you would have seen the token displays when you go into the like stalls, there is a display called your number is 26, 27, that way. So how to make that type of token display by yourself, so that you will learn in this session. So you will make different digits using the programming, Arduino microcontroller programming on the 7 segments, and you will make the this token food display. Then in session 6 he will make a project called countdown number display. So countdown number display is basically generally used in the competitions. You would have seen like 9, 8, 7, 6, that is the countdown. So this countdown display, how to do the programming with the help of microcontroller and how to make that countdown display, that he will learn in this session. In session 6 we are going to make a project that is called program robotic car. So here you will understand that how to control the motor with the help of Arduino microcontroller. Introduction to motor driver circuit, will understand what is actually motor driver circuit, why it is required, and what is the circuit connections of that motor driver circuit, that will understand, and then we will do the programming with the help of Arduino software and the also on the Tinkercad. So this we will make a programmed robotic car in session 6. So in session 8 we are going to understand about the driverless robotic car. So here your car will automatically work at a particular path. So like you want your car to move to your next room to bring something, so you can just program and send your car to your next room, and you can bring something from it with the help of a robotic car. So that is called driverless robotic car, in which you will start learning how to program your robot to make to work on a particular path, that you will understand in this session. Then in session 9 you will understand about how to make a food delivery through a robot. So again, in this robot we will make a particular path and we will have like some material which you want to deliver at particular location of your home. So you can create a mapping of your home and you can basically send your robot to the particular location with the help of programming. So this programming you will understand in this session. So in this food delivery through robots, you will also learn how to basically run at a particular pattern. Like I want to run my robot in the square pattern, in the zigzag pattern. Okay, so in the many industries the robots are generally used to follow a particular path like square path or a zigzag path. So how to program your robot to run on a particular format like square or zigzag, that you will understand in this session. Then in the last session, that is the 10th session, what we are going to learn is a robotic car with a timer. So here what we are going to do is we are going to combine everything whatever we have learned till 9 sessions. That is, we are going to use a 7 segment also, we are going to use motor driver, and we are going to use a robotic car, and with the help of that we are going to make a complete autonomous robotic car with timer. So as your robocar will run, the timer will also get start, and when your robocar is stopped, timer will get stopped. So this type of complete autonomous programmed robocar we will learn in the 10th session.